Alright, welcome back to my video. In solving this sum, we said that the answer to this is 18. By going this way, 20 divide this 4 plus 2 times 3, 4 plus 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 3, 18. But this answer is the wrong answer. In solving this, we are going to make use of order of operation. That is PEMDAS, where P is parenthesis, E exponential, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and S subtraction. Now, in any expression that we have both these two, we are going to solve from left to our right. Same thing as addition and subtraction. Alright, so back to our question. Let's write it out here. 20 divided by 5 plus 2 times 3. In solving it using this order, we found out that we have multiplication here. So you can solve this first. This times this will give us 6. So we're going to have 20 divided by 5 plus 6. Alright, so we are going to solve our division. When we divide this, we're going to get 4. 4 plus 6, which will give us 10. So the correct answer to this question is 10. So while solving something of this form, it's important to make use of the order of operation to avoid unnecessary mistake. Alright?